technology is much more useful for anti-terrorist operations. We have our own infrastructure, and we have radar system to spot out the inimical vessels or forces. Likewise, we must have the support of satellite pictures, INSAT or in INSAS, or recently these drones also come into operation. Drones are very much useful to patrol the sea or to identify the enemies or enemy boats, or in case of drowning deaths, the bodies can be traced, because in the earlier days we were not used to get the dead bodies in drowning cases within 24 hours. Now with the help of drones we can trace the dead bodies quickly, and also drones are helpful to ascertain the resources where concentrated, like fisheries or oil or any other mines or minerals can be explorated through drones easily.